In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reference documentation using a Docs in Cursor. First, make sure you already have at least one documentation source added. You can do this through Settings or the Command Palette by adding a Docs URL. Once that's set up, open the AI chat panel in Cursor. Now, instead of manually explaining a library, just type at Docs followed by your question. For example, at Docs, how do I create a component in React? Cursor will automatically search through your connected documentation sources and use them as context to generate a more accurate answer. You can also combine it with specific frameworks like at docsnext.js routing setup to get targeted results from the docs you added. This is especially useful because it keeps the AI grounded in official or internal documentation instead of general knowledge. And that's how you use a Docs in Cursor to get accurate documentation-based answers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.